Thank you for buying this 18536 pump with switch from Fixture Displays. This is a replacement part for our item 10122 and 10094. The pump comes with the two tubes, soft tube and hard tube, and the body of the pump along with the white switch and a power adapter. The power adapter cable length is 44 inches and the tip is 5521 type tip and gives 12 volts 1 amp power. The soft tube measures 39 inches long and works with the 6 millimeter or quarter-inch tubes. The hard tube is about 13 inches long and it has a 6 millimeter outside diameter. It comes with filter balls on the end and with a small and large ball to make sure intake impurities are not getting into the water supply line. The pump measures about 2 inches by 2.5 inches. That's the outside dimension, of course. The barrel itself is far smaller. We're now going to plug it in and give a quick demonstration. This can also work with our faucet, 10122 faucet. And in that scenario, the faucet will control the output. This particular demonstration, we're bypassing the faucet. It is simply powers on when it is plugged in. If you have any questions, feel free to email us, cs@fixturedisplays.com. You can also text message us, 630-296-4190. Thank you once again for shopping Fixture Displays.